Congratulations to all from the Review A to Z YouTube channel. I hope everyone well and healthy today. I am going to show you 5 skin cream reviews. The trains, which are very popular and used by people nowadays and also have a lot of acceptance from users. All at the same time. Its price is very affordable compared to other companies. I am going to show this mini tool that are very popular and used by people nowadays, and also Soothing Ginseng Serum Anti-Aging Reduce Fine Lines Moisturizer Skincare 60 grams. Ogaria Ginseng Skin Rejuvenating Essence Cream, open a new experience. Contains ginseng essence, deeply nourishing the skin. The texture is dense and soft, with a touch of moisturizing and waterlocking. Improve skin dryness and give skin elasticity and radiance. With a large capacity of 60 grams, it is a daily skincare routine that helps you easily develop smooth and beautiful skin. Instant Face Lift Cream with Hyaluronic Acid for Wrinkles. Firming Solution. Certification. CPNP. Hein Concerned Chemical. None. Number of pieces. 1 unit. Net WT. 50 milliliters. Feature. Moisturizing, oil control, whitening. Country, region of manufacture. China. Feature. Moisturizing, oil control, whitening. Country, region of manufacture. China. Foundation Magic Color Changing Foundation Liquid Soft Matte Long Lasting Hydrating Makeup Base. Hein Concerned Chemical. None. Number of pieces. 1 unit. Country, region of manufacture. China. Quantity 1. Number. Q516. Size. Full size. Net WT. 30 milliliters. Benefit. Moisturizer, long-lasting, hydrating. Foundation Magic Color Change